Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3
Understanding. A discussion text is a text that presents a problematic topic which is the discussed from various points of view. The discussion text in itself discusses something that contains professional and counter view on that thing. Memahami. Teks diskusi adalah teks yang menyajikan suatu topik permasalahan yang kemudian dibahas dari berbagai sudut pandang. Teks pemahaman sendiri membahas suatu hal yang mengandung pandangan profesional dan kontra terhadap hal tersebut.
Purpose: to explore various perspectives before coming to an informed discussion. To present information and opinion about more than one set of issue. Tujuan: untuk mengeksplorasi berbagai perspektif sebelum mengambil keputusan yang tepat, meyakinkan informasi dan pendapat tentang lebih dari satu sisi suatu isu.
Generic structure. 1. Issue. This section will contain an introduction to the issues discussed. The issue in the discussion text can be hot issue currently circulating around educational, health, social, political, historical, or the issue. 2. Arguments. Supporting arguments. Supporting arguments are arguments or supporting points. This section contains positive explanation. The arguments you convey can be in the form of advantages, benefits, and so on. Arguments against. Argument against will contain negative explanation. The argument takes the form of disagreement between the issue. It could be a loss or other negative things. 3. The final section in the discussion text is the conclusion. Here, you can draw conclusion from the result of the discussion being discussed. Apart from that, you can also provide suggestion regarding solution to the issue. Struktur. 1. Masalah. Bagian ini berisi pendahuluan mengenai permasalahan yang dibahas. Isu-isu yang ada dalam teks pembahasan bisa berupa isu yang sedang beredar, isu pendidikan, kesehatan, sosial, politik, sejarah, atau yang lainnya. 2. Argumen. Argumen pendukung adalah argumen atau poin pendukung. Bagian ini berisi penjelasan yang positif. Argumen yang Anda sampaikan bisa berupa kelebihan, manfaat, dan lain sebagainya. Argumen melawan. Argumen yang menentang akan mengandung penjelasan negatif. Argumen tersebut berupa ketidaksepakatan antar permasalahan, bisa berupa kerugian atau hal negatif lainnya. 3. Bagian terakhir dalam teks pembahasan adalah kesimpulan. Di sini Anda dapat menarik kesimpulan dari hasil pembahasan yang sedang dibahas. Selain itu, Anda juga dapat memberikan saran mengenai solusi atas permasalahan tersebut.
In today's modern society, mobile phones have become a part of your daily lives. From how to communicate to feeding entertainment, the impact of telephone is very diverse. In this tag, we will explore the positive and negative influence of telephones on your life, especially with communication in interaction, education, and our life that involve cell phones. One of the most common benefits is that makes communication easier with family and friends, can access the latest information and news. Telephones have many entertainment features, and this can be a medium to help use a take break from the bedroom, where students can get various subjects with very easy, even though they have many benefits. On the other hand, telephones can also distract students, for example, resulting in a lack of concentration and responsibility. On the other hand, they can also cause mental discord and health problems. Apart from that, excessive use of cell phones can reduce social interaction. In conclusion, it is important to use cell phones wisely to ensure the positive impact on your life. Although cell phones have improved communication, education, and social awareness, excessive use can cause disorders such as depression, mental health problems, and a decline in equality in interpersonal relationship. Therefore, blessing the use of technology in K to maximizing benefits while minimizing negative impact. In this digital era, awareness and management of cell phone use is very important to maintain quality of life in health reproduction.
Purpose to explore various perspectives before coming to an informed decision. To present information and opinions about more than one side of an issue. Tujuan teks discussion. 1. Untuk mengeksplorasi berbagai perspektif sebelum mengambil keputusan yang tepat. 2. Menyajikan informasi dan mendapat tentang lebih dari satu sisi ke suatu isu.
Story structure. Paragraph 1 issue. Introduction to the problem. Paragraph 2 argument. Supporting arguments makes communication with family and friends easier. Can access the less information and news. Paragraph 3 conclusion. Conclusion of the story. Paragraph 1 Masalah 1 pengenalan masalah. Paragraf 2 argumen, yaitu argumen pendukung memudahkan komunikasi dengan keluarga dan teman, dapat mengakses informasi dan berita terkini. Paragraf ketiga yaitu kesimpulan, menyimpulkan cerita. Paragraf 1 isu. Mobile phones are becoming a part of everyday life with diverse impacts on communication, education, and entertainment. Yaitu ponsel menjadi bagian dari kehidupan sehari-hari dengan beragam dampak pada komunikasi, pendidikan, dan hiburan. Paragraf 2 argumen. Argument against resulting in a lack of consideration and responsibility can lead to mental disorder and health problems. Yaitu argumen yang menentang, menyebabkan kurangnya konsentrasi dan tanggung jawab, dapat menyebabkan gangguan mental dan masalah kesehatan. Paragraf 3 conclusion. Use of cell phone is very important to effectively maintain quality of life and healthy relationship. Artinya penggunaan telepon seluler yang bijaksana sangat penting untuk secara efektif menjaga kualitas hidup dan hubungan yang sehat.